Hey guys, it's me, Siri.
What's up? It's me, Sarthak.
And welcome back to Siri and
Sarthak Show.
Today we are setting up our dun 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 Christmas tree.
So why don't you set it up with us?
So let's get started. Hey guys, so we just got our Christmas tree out of the storeroom. Now we have to open up the whole thing and then we have to set it up. This is going to take forever.
It's probably gonna be super dusty.
Yeah, I just wanted to decorate, but we have to even build the whole Christmas tree. And our Christmas tree is like this big. So let's open it, I guess. This is so dusty. We have a lot of cleaning up to do. So guys, I have an idea. Why don't we see which of us can open it first, because he has one half of the Christmas tree and I have the other parts and they're all tied up. So who is the best at unknotting here?
Why do the contest when I'm gonna win either way?
No. 3, 2, 1, go!
Finished.
No, that was 3 seconds late. So I came first, right? So if you think that I definitely won and we didn't tie, right? I won. Then give this video a big thumbs up. So guys, our Christmas tree is made up of 4 layers and we have to put them one on top of the other. This is the smallest piece, so obviously this will be the top layer. These two look kind of the same. I think this is the next smaller one.
Yeah, I think so.
So this will be the second smallest piece. This will be the third smallest piece. And this is the big base that we have to start with. So guys, now we're untying it.
Voila!
Ooh. So this is the base. Now we just need to spread out the whole thing. This is taking so long. Every single branch, every single stem,
Every single leaf.
So guys, this is one branch that I pulled apart. Now we have to do like a million more. So guys, this is the base of the Christmas tree and it took like an hour to do. I'm so tired.
Yeah.
But we have 4 more pieces to do, so let's get started on that. We'll see you back in like a year. Bye.
24 hours later.
Wow, the Christmas tree is literally taller than us.
Yep. It barely fits in the room.
Yeah, like it's touching the roof. So guys, we assembled our Christmas tree, but in our next video, we are going to finally decorate it. And when that video comes out, we'll make sure to leave a link in the description box below. But give this video a big like, subscribe, and share to your friends to remind them to assemble their own Christmas tree. And if they did, make sure you all send pics of it. Okay, so see y'all in our next video. Bye!